Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of river model. Numerical is given as the performance of a spillway of a power project is to be studied by means of a model constructed to a scale of 1:9. Neglecting the viscous and surface tension effect, determine rate of flow in the model for a prototype discharge of 1000 meter cube per second and the dissipation of energy in the prototype hydraulic jump if the jump in the model studies dissipates 0.4 horsepower. Now the given quantity is, that is the scale, that is LR is given 1:9, as well as discharge is also given, that is 1000 meter cube per second. Now in the case of spillway model, gravity forces are predominant, therefore Froude law will be applicable. Therefore Fm will be equals to Vm upon under root of G into Lm, that is velocity of model upon under root of G into length of model, which will be equals to velocity of prototype under root of G into length of prototype equals to Fp. Now Vm upon Vp will be equals to under root of Lm upon Lp, which will be equals to under root of Lr. So Vr will be equals to under root of Lr. Therefore discharge Qr will be equals to Ar into Vr. Now we know that for Ar it will be equals to Lr square and for Vr it will be equals to under root of Lr. On solving this, we will have Qr equals to Lr to the power 5/2. Now Qm, that is discharge for model upon 1000, will be equals to 1/9 to the power 5/2. So Qm will be equals to 1000 into 1/9 to the power 5/2, which will be equals to 4.115 meter cube per second. So PR will be equals to Fr into Vr. So it will be equals to rho r into Lr square into Vr square into Vr. So it will be equals to rho r into Lr square into Vr cube. Now we know that Vr will be equals to under root of Lr. So PR will be equals to rho r into Lr square into Lr to the power 3/2. Therefore Pm upon Pp, that is for model and for prototype, will be equals to length of model upon length of prototype will be equals to 7/2. Therefore 0.4 upon Pp equals to 1/9 to the power 7/2. Therefore dissipation of energy in the prototype Pp equals to 0.4 into 9 to the power 7/2. It will be equals to 874.8 horsepower. Therefore dissipation of energy in the prototype Pp will be equals to 874.8 horsepower. That will be the complete solution for this numerical. Thank you very much, students.